PT Golden AGIN NUSA is a manufacturing company that has been concentrating and contributing in the progress of agriculture, livestock, health, and construction industry. It starts from an entrepreneur who has a great mission and big ambition. The founder, Mr. Johar Tobi, has established this company on April 11, 1980 until this moment. Our vision are to become a real-level manufacturing company that offers a high-quality products. Our mission are to become a manufacturing company in agricultural equipment, livestock, health, and construction that provides the best quality assurance and professional services to support the development of our local industry. We guarantee the security in our company by always checking all the vehicles that enter and leave the factory area. We always improve the discipline and safety for our employees. Maintaining a hygiene and comfort environment has become one of our main priority in the company. We always have a responsible, disciplined, and creative working ethics, including in the production process that running systematically and sustainable, with high-quality raw materials and skilled and experienced manpower, also equipped by advanced and modern machinery that create a high-quality product to achieve an optimal customer trust and satisfaction. Different variety of products with high-quality materials which are easy to use and maintain. In order to produce a high quality of products, we produce using a modification machine that promote quality and efficiency to make our products affordable. We always improve our research and development department to create a high quality of products that can be compete in local and global markets, by also following the standard of SNE ISO that we have achieved. We always provide a fast and proper distribution by using a proper transportation to achieve our motto company to guarantee customer satisfaction. PT Golden AGIN NUSA grow and develop to be one of the leader in agriculture, livestock, health, and construction industry in Indonesia. Along with the expansion of the company, we also has export to Vietnam, Australia, Morocco, and also Philippines.
Saya sudah bermitra dengan PT Golden AGIN NUSA sekitar 20 tahunan. Selain produknya yang berkualitas, servisnya sangat memuaskan.
Alat ini sangat berguna untuk menjaga dan memelihara tanaman padi saya.
For more information, visit www.golden-agin.com. Thank you for trusting us.
Tempatnya pakai suan kuatkan, jangan lambatkan suan. Pakai suan harus suan dan terbukti dan teruji. Hanya suan pilihanku.
Dulu, sekarang, dan selamanya.
Suan pilihanku.
Golden AGIN NUSA from Indonesia for the entire world.